Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the Ford Performance air and oil separator, otherwise known as a catch can, for the 2.3 liter four-cylinder motor for the 2020 to 2023 Ford Ranger. It's just 6 pieces to the kit. Comes with these 2 hoses, the catch can itself, the mounting bracket, and the 2 little nuts. A couple of my motorcycle minions helped me install it. It probably took 15 or 20 minutes. The hardest part was actually figuring out how to install it, and I've included the link for the PDF down below for the actual instructions because it doesn't come with any. Once we saw those, it was fairly simple. You do need to break the orange connection on the one hose, which is a little disconcerting, but just use some needle nose to pry it off, and I think it's a tamper-proof thing. The truck has about 3,800 miles on it, and I figured I'd throw a borescope inside and film it and see how dirty it actually is. As you can see, it's not really that dirty. I'm sure over time with a lot of miles that would change, but this actually looks pretty good. The Ford Performance webpage, directly from them, they want $360 for this part, plus shipping. It's $80 cheaper at Stage 3 Motorsports, and they include shipping. If you want to buy one, just click the Stage 3 Motorsports link below, copy and paste the part number into their search bar in the top right of the webpage, and boom, Bob's your uncle. I went with the Ford Performance catch can over an aftermarket one because it's designed by Ford for your specific vehicle. Is it worth it? I don't know. That's a whole other video. Do they work? General consensus seems to be yes, but it doesn't hurt anything. And if I can protect my very expensive truck, then for, $280, then let's do it. That being said, green thumbs up for the Ford Performance catch can. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and even leave a comment if you have any suggestions.